Hello, welcome to today's lecture. We have a message from Lantos from 5 years ago in which he is introducing the Tree of Genesis course as well as announcing the Western Gate and Eastern Gate of knowledge. But as all of the messages that I've been sharing with you over the last several weeks, it focuses on what we are doing to rid the world of negativity, to strengthen the light on earth, to make preparations for the great star of Genesis, and what that means for all of us. And in this regard, we again focus on the singing seed fountains. The whisper of the seeds provides immeasurable benefits. The more we hear, the more we realize the significant benefits that the whisper of the seeds provides for each individual who is using them. But those benefits don't necessarily go to the rest of the world or even to the rest of your community. The singing seed fountain, however, provides that benefit. It is the singing seed fountain that strengthens the initial rotations of creation, not only within your house, but within the entire earth, and which strengthens the world mother seed, seed number 8. And this right now is what is needed for the entire world. It provides your household with a benefit, but it provides even a greater benefit for all of the world. So that's why our focus right now is on the singing seed fountains. Okay, let's listen to this message from Lantos. He said, "Greetings, dear ones. Life is a great blessing, a great blessing. It is through this sublime blessing that the expressions of creation may be enjoyed. All expressions arising from the source of creation may be experienced as waves of fulfillment. This is the sublime blessing of life, a very great blessing. Life offers the experience of fullness, fulfillment. To experience less is a great disservice to life, a disservice to the almighty, limitless source. It is like attending a grand banquet and only sampling the dumplings. There is so much to enjoy, all aspects, all expressions, each offering great waves of fulfillment. Like this, we wish to expand our range of experience to include fullness. Life is the precious platform for the appreciation of all expressions of the almighty source. It is very good, very fortunate. Yes. And how is this level of fullness experienced? It is through the blessings of knowledge and grace, that which is earned and that which is bestowed. Dear ambassadors of Starlight, our blessed global network of the light of Genesis expands the platform of light, expands the webwork of light for the support of the coming form of the new era of eternal light, the great, mighty star of Genesis. The residues of the past actions are released, and the light of knowledge radiates in greater brilliance. We are strengthening the webwork of light on every layer, on every scale, on a cosmic scale, on a worldly scale, on an individual scale. In this year, we will continue to expand the light of the global network on every layer. We are preparing for the course of training for the masters of the Tree of Genesis. This knowledge offers fullness of the 27 cosmic spheres on an individual scale. Yes, the values of expression are each strengthened, and these values are positioned properly around the individual household, forming the blessed structure of the Tree of Genesis. It is very good. Yes, very good. The opening of the imminent Western Gate has established a great channel of light through which knowledge may be offered to all. Soon we will be celebrating the awakening of the imminent Eastern Gate, and this precious gate, too, will offer knowledge and light to all. It is very good, very good. Many blessings. So again, we see in that message, Lantos is talking about what our actions are doing. Ridding the world of negativity. And I've spoken about this each message, each lecture for the last few months, the importance of ridding the world of negativity so that the light of the golden form, the great star of Genesis, may shine fully. And this is something that Lanto spoke about in this message. Our actions are preparing for the great star of Genesis. And it is through the great star of Genesis that the light of creation shines for all of creation, not just for our earth, but for all of creation. So for now, our job, the Singing Seed Fountain. Make sure to have the Singing Seed Fountain in every household because of its significant blessings, its significant effects and benefits for everyone in the world, for the earth itself. Okay, everyone, have a great week, and I will speak with you again on Sunday.